New Holdings is a new financial services company that really focuses on providing financial services and banking to people in Latin America, South America, as well as Central America and Mexico. I think it's a great idea to serve a lot of people that are unbanked or maybe have a low level of financial services available to them. This area has a lot of addressable market for a company to do this well, and New Holdings has really been growing nicely. If you look at their revenue growth, it's excellent. If you look at this bank and you look at their book value, it's been growing really well. All those things look great for New Holdings. This happens to be a stock that's requested quite a bit on my live streams. I'm not the only one that is looking at this high growth company. I wanted to take a look at the fundamentals of the company, do a valuation, and then share with you what I plan to do with this stock. I currently don't own any shares in New Holdings. In 2024, I did really well with financial services companies and would like to expand into this space as I think the next couple of years will be good years for financial services. New Holdings has a market cap of $49.89 billion dollars, and they have revenue of $5.46 billion. The PE looks quite reasonable considering they're a high growth company. The PE for the current year is 28, and in 2025, it's expected to be 20. Analysts really like the company. They believe it's discounted by 50%. Their growth is exceptional. They're growing 73% top line revenue. That's great. And it really corresponds to that. There's a lot of addressable market in Latin America for financial services, and New Holdings is really capitalizing on that available market to a good player. I look at book value per share to value banks, and the rise in book value for New Holdings has been incredible. They've risen very fast from a very small number up to 1.59 per share, $1.59 of book value per share. Banks in the US are around 1.28 per share. So it looks like New Holdings has a much better metric than the typical bank I would find here in the United States. 9 analysts cover New Holdings, and they believe the company is a buy rating with about a 50% discount, very high discount on the company. The reason for their very optimistic forecast is that the company is going to expand their earnings per share. And I showed you how they're expanding their book value. So those two ratios look really attractive to me. New has been getting more customers, attaining more customers, and now has over 100 million customers. In addition to that high growth rate in customer acquisition, their customers are doing more with New Holdings. So they're actually expanding the amount of activities and products that these customers are buying from New Holdings. So just excellent acquisition of customers. And it's great that they're growing the amount of wallet share they have with these customers. I did my own valuation on New Holdings just using earnings per share. And I get a 75% discount available on New Holdings. And that's even after using a 14% discount rate. That is an excellent discount available. And the big pullback we've seen in the stock recently really has opened up a nice opportunity to invest in this high growth bank. Overall, beginning in January, I'm going to start a position in New Holdings and build up maybe about a $10,000 investment in New Holdings and see where that goes from there. That's my plan with New Holdings. I hope you found it interesting. Just a quick reminder, I'm just an individual investor sharing my investing journey on YouTube. I don't recommend you buy, hold, or sell New Holdings. Please do your own research before you make any type of investment. Thanks for watching and good luck.